All right, so wanted to take a minute to talk about things that we are looking for and observing on a roofing system outside of what we would consider storm-related damage. So here on this slope, we have some chalk marks here that are outlining the installation pattern of these shingles. This is commonly referred to as racking rather than working horizontal to install the shingles. The contractors have kind of worked more in a vertical pattern. So the break between this shingle and this shingle lies right here. Next course up, the break is right here, and then there. So there's no alternating pattern. The pattern is just left, right, left, right, left, right. What that does over many years of these shingles being on the roofing system, every day, every night, every hot and cold cycle, your roof, warms up and cools down, and it goes through thermal expansion cycles. So when you don't have this alternating pattern of installation, when the pattern installation works in a vertical manner straight up a slope, what you end up with is a whole lot of unsealed corners, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Every one of these shingles is unsealed at the corner right through this installation pattern. Now, a lot of people very easily mistake this for storm-related damage. This has nothing to do with wind damage. These shingle tabs, in fact, are not physically damaged. They've just become unsealed at the corners because of the constant thermal and expansion and contraction that happens every day.